Welcome to the Bouncing Bunny Boom. It's me. A gang of mechanical bunnies is bouncing through town on spring-loaded pogo sticks powered by giant piles of carrots. They go crazy with their pogo sticks, bouncing over cars, houses, and people, causing massive destruction everywhere. Their leader, Dr. Carrot Top, has a giant carrot launcher strapped to his back, which he uses to fire smaller carrots at the townspeople below. The townspeople cower in fear as the bunnies come for them. But who will save the day? Our drone pilot babies are still on their way, but it's gonna take a while. This is gonna be close. Can the Ninja Rabbit get there in time? He leaps and hops from rooftop to rooftop, dodging the bouncing bunnies and their flying carrots. He takes out a few of the bunnies with his ninja skills, but there are so many more coming. Meanwhile, the drone pilot babies are making their way to the town square where the mayhem is happening. They have to dodge buildings and trees as they fly, but they're almost there. The mechanical bunnies are bouncing up and down on their pogo sticks, taunting the Ninja Rabbit and the townspeople. One of the bunnies pulls out a carrot from his pocket and takes a bite out of it. Suddenly, the bunny gang splits into two groups. One group stays behind with Dr. Carrot Top, continuing to harass the townspeople. The other group, led by the brave bunny warrior, Banzai, goes after the carrot launcher. Banzai wants to take out the one thing that gives these mechanical bunnies an advantage. With the giant carrot launcher destroyed, the mechanical bunnies would be no match for the Ninja Rabbit and the townspeople. But the drone pilot babies are almost here. Will that be enough? Our little heroes fly over the rooftops towards the town square. They have to be careful not to hit the buildings or trees, but they make it just in time. As the battle between the Ninja Rabbit and the mechanical bunnies reaches its peak, the drone pilot babies swoop in and start taking out the mechanical bunnies with their water guns. The water guns are super soakers, so they do a lot of damage. The mechanical bunnies try to fight back, but they're no match for the power of the water guns. Plus, the Ninja Rabbit is there to help. Together, the drone pilot babies and the Ninja Rabbit take out all of the mechanical bunnies and Dr. Carrot Top. The townspeople cheer as the mechanical bunnies are destroyed. It's time to clean up the mess. The drone pilot babies use their super soaker water guns to put out all the fires, and the Ninja Rabbit uses his powers to repair all the damage. The townspeople are so grateful to our little heroes. They give them all a big thank you and some carrots as a reward. The drone pilot babies are happy to have helped, but they know that they couldn't have done it without the Ninja Rabbit. He was so brave and skilled, and the townspeople agree. They all bow down to the Ninja Rabbit and thank him for saving the day. But the Ninja Rabbit is humble. He knows that he didn't do it alone. He had the help of the drone pilot babies and the townspeople. Without them, he wouldn't have been able to save the day. So they all celebrate together with a big party. They eat carrots, drink water, and dance the night away. It was a great day to be a baby drone pilot. The end. Do you like this story? Then be sure to stay tuned for more exciting adventures of Baby Drone Pilot. We have new episodes every week. What should the drone pilot babies do next? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. See you soon!